the Sunshine Coast and looking at one tree in particular, the she oak tree. The format of the short presentation will be a talent show based on the television show, Australia's Got Talent. The title of our presentation is Sunshine Coast Trees Have Talent. So I hope you all enjoy.
And welcome to the final of Sunshine Coast Trees Have Talent. It's so good to see you all here this afternoon. My name is Clever Cocky, the Black Cockatoo, and I'll be your host for this afternoon. We have spent the last 6 weeks talking to trees from Noosa to Caloundra, finding out how they help the environment and how they help other plants. We have 3 finalists for you this afternoon, and at the end of the show, one of them will be named the Sunshine Coast's most talented tree. Would you like to meet our first contestant? Let's get it out there. Big up tree, everybody.
You might as well just hand me the trophy right now. I'm the mighty gum tree.
Tell us a little bit about yourself, Gumtree.
Well, I've been on postage stamps. My timber is strong. I'm the tallest tree for miles and miles. Songs have even been written about me.
Songs have been written about you?
Yes.
What sort of songs, Gumtree?
Songs such as Kookaburra Sits in the Old Gum Tree.
Oh, that's an old favourite. Do you know that song? Can you sing it with us today? Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree, Mary, Mary, king of the bushes he. Love, Kookaburra, love, Kookaburra gay, your life must be. Oh, that was beautiful. Does anyone know any other songs written about a gum tree? Anyone?
Give me a home and I'll get gum tree.
Terrific! That's another favourite. Do you know how that one goes too?
I do.
Would you like to start us off?
Give me a home.
Among the gum trees, with lots of plum trees, a sheep or two and a kangaroo, a clothesline out the back, veranda out the front, and an old rocking chair. Oh, that was wonderful. Thank you so much. A little bird told me, Gumtree, that you also like to tell jokes.
Yes, I always have a joke ready.
What have you got for us today?
What's brown and sticky?
What's brown and I don't know. What is brown and sticky, Gumtree?
A stick.
Oh, that was very good. Earlier on today, Gumtree, our reporter Katrina spoke to your mum and your best friend Koala. Over to you, Katrina.
Thanks, Clever Cocky. I've got here today Gum Mum, Gumtree's mum. He must be so proud of his son.
Oh, and he was such a wonderful, fast-growing little sapling, and he grew so tall, and everybody looked up to him.
Oh, wonderful. We've also managed to catch up with Gumtree's friend, the koala. So, Koala, what do you like about the gum tree?
His leaves are really juicy, his branches are really wide. The cat keeps sleeping.
Oh, looks like you really get comfy in old gum tree. Back to you in the studio, Cocky.
Thanks, Katrina. Good luck, Gumtree. Let's get it. Absolutely. Our hands for the Gumtree. Let's get our second contestant onto stage, shall we? Please make him feel welcome. It's Shio. Thanks for joining us today, Shio. Would you like to tell us why you're so special?
Well, I love the beach, but sometimes when I'm at the beach it gets really windy and the wind blows all the sand away. So I use my roots to hold the sand in place so we don't lose our beaches.
What a clever tree. Earlier today, our reporter Katrina caught up with your friends as well. Are you there, Katrina?
Yes, I am. We've got here Butcherbird. Now, Butcherbird likes hanging out in the old tree.
What I really like about him is his branches are perfect for laying my nest in, and I love sitting under those evergreen birch that's raining
home that would be in the old she oak tree. You know what, I also caught up with a carpenter, funnily enough, who likes the she oak tree. Let's have a chat to him. Mr. Carpenter, what is it that you like about the she oak tree?
Well, the wood is very good to work with. The early Australian Aboriginals, they used the wood to make woomeras, and they also used it to cook food and things in as well. And the early settlers used it for roof tiles, fences, wooden handles for the tools, and I love working with the wood to make furniture.
One tree, one piece of wood, and so many uses. That's fantastic. Clever Cocky, I was actually talking to a few of my friends in the audience today who also like trees in general. We'll just go over and have a chat.
That'd be great,
Sure. Eden,
Yeah.
I was talking to you earlier, mate. You were telling me some things that you like to do in the trees. Would you like to tell me what you do?
I like to climb in the tree.
Climbing in the trees. And do you climb high or low?
High.
High. You're very careful though when you're climbing in the trees, aren't you? Thanks for that, Eden. Back to you in the studio, Cocky.
Thanks so much, Katrina. Andy, thank you. Big round of applause. Our third finalist today can be found among the rivers and waterways of the Sunshine Coast. In fact, anywhere where there's a little bit of water close to the surface. She has beautiful, white, creamy-coloured flowers that bloom in autumn and smell pretty good. She's got bark that you can rip straight off her trunk like paper. Does anybody know who I might be talking about? Clever boy! What did you make her feel like? Paper bark!
Sorry, Cocky, I'm going to paper bark's falling off.
You're a little bit nervous.
Yes, I can see that.
Okay, Paper bark, would you like to take a bit of time? Take a big breath.
Sorry, I'm terribly sorry.
Go and pull yourself together backstage while we'll take a commercial break. Lovely to see you, Paper bark. Makeup!
Oh, I just love crunching on these she oak nuts seeds.
Yes, they are good, but you know, they're not enough for me. I like to eat the whole big woody cone.
Oh, I hope the she oak wins.
No.
Who do you think will win?
I know we shouldn't have favourites, but I really hope that she oak wins too. She's so important for us black cockatoos. The she oak provides our main source of food. I always try and keep a few big woody cones with me to feed the chicks. It helps them fly right, grow up big and strong, and is very good for their beaks.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action!
Welcome back, everybody. Now it's the part of the show where we find out the tree's talents. What makes them so special and what they do for the environment and other plants. The first up we're going to talk to, Gum Tree, show us your talent.
Alright, check this out.
Is that it, Gum Tree? Do you?
Well, sometimes I stand like this.
Oh, that's good. Do you have anything else?
I got another joke.
Oh, great. What's another joke?
How do trees connect to the internet?
Ow.
They log on.
Okay. The Gum Tree, everybody. Let's jump right off the top now. What talent does she has?
Well, Butcherbird mentioned it earlier. I like to sway in the breeze. It's very relaxing. And when I sway, I sing. I was wondering if everybody could stand up and do some swaying with me in the breeze. Can I stand up? Sway. And when I sway, I like to sing a song.
The leaves in the trees, they sway in the breeze. They sway all around, slowly, fast and faster, until they all fall down. The leaves in the trees, they sway in the breeze. They sway all around, slowly, fast and faster, until they all fall down. The sway and cruise, they sway all around and around, slowly faster and faster until they all fall down. Ladies and trees, they sway and cruise, they sway all around and around, slowly faster and faster until they all fall down. Well, I do feel nice and relaxed. Our last contestant, the paper bark, is going to show us her talent now. Paper bark? Paper bark? Oh, do you think you can show us your... Oh, please. It's okay, paper bark. Don't worry. Next up, we are going to... Sorry. That's okay, paper bark. We are going to find out. We spoke to the tree searcher who told us what your talent was. The tree searcher's name was Teresa Green. Teresa, can you come out and share your information with us, please?
Yes, definitely. Look, the gum tree doesn't seem to help other trees. It's very greedy with water and drinks as much as it can.
I'm a big tree, I need a drink lots. I get thirsty.
And the bark from the paper bark tree can be used to cook food in and wrap fish up. And many years ago, the indigenous people used the bark for bandages. The she oak tree absorbs nitrogen from the air and puts it back into the soil as food for other trees.
That's very generous.
The she oak also creates a very thick layer of mulch that helps keep the soil moist.
Wait a minute. Let me get this right. The she oak protects other plants from strong onshore breezes. He holds the roots, the sand dunes together with his roots. He holds water in his branchlets, and he provides mulch so other trees can grow up big and strong. I had no idea you did so much, she oak. That's fantastic. Thank you so much for finding us all that information, Teresa Green.
That's okay, Polly. We'll see you next time.
Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the part of the show you've all been waiting for. We're going to find out who has won.
I'm sorry, but the gum tree was really hot and
Yeah,
uncomfortable.
I'm just wondering if I could turn the air conditioning up a bit.
Oh,
My
that's-
leaves are starting to dry
Oh,
out.
you poor thing. Oh, I'm so sorry. What about you, Paper Bark? You're a bit hot too. Sheila?
No. Well, see, I protect my leaves inside these little branchlets,
Oh.
and I can tolerate all sorts of weather conditions.
Oh, you are so clever. So the heat doesn't bother you.
No, not at all.
Oh, wow.
Could we at least open a window there?
Well, let's see if we can help there. Smell that lovely ocean breeze.
Ocean breeze.
Yeah.
That means I'm going to get salt on my leaves. Do you know how hard it is to clean salt out of leaves?
Oh, no. Are you the same? Oh, my. What about you, Shio?
Well, you see, most trees love living next to us she oaks. See, with our branches like this, we stop a lot of the salt spray going onto other trees.
Wow, that is amazing. Thank you for telling us that. I would have been lost without it. Now, shrubs and bushes, sticks and stalks. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see who has won the Sunshine Coast Trees Have Talent for 2012. The envelope, please. Oh, it's so exciting. Who do you think's won? Any ideas? Anyone? Who do you think's won? Shio? Anybody else voting for the Shio? Shio? Let's have a look. Oh, you're right! The Shio has won! The Shio Trees Would you like to say a few words?
I would love to. Let me gather my thoughts. Well, first of all, I think all trees are special. I'd like to say a big thank you to the mighty gum tree and the paper bark tree and all the trees that we have on the Sunshine Coast. They all have their own talents. But tonight, there can only be one winner. It's me.
I'm sure your mum's going to be very proud of you.
My mum, she will just drop cones everywhere.
Oh,